I believe in YouTube's algorithm that this video will reach the right person. Do you also fear speaking in front of people? Or are you scared of heights that freeze you instead of making you feel adventurous? What if I told you that the world's most successful people overcome their fears through exposure therapy? This therapy is scientifically proven, and in today's video, I will show you how you can eliminate fear from your life forever. Fear is something that stops us from enjoying life's most amazing moments. But do you know the solution is simple? Exposure therapy. It's a psychological technique that is scientifically proven, and top psychologists around the world say that through this, you can defeat your greatest enemy, fear. First, it's important to understand what exposure therapy is. It's a process where you gradually face your fear in small steps until it disappears completely. According to the American Psychological Association, this therapy is the most effective technique for treating anxiety disorders and phobias. Imagine a person who is afraid of spiders. In exposure therapy, they first look at pictures of spiders, then observe a spider in a cage from a distance, and gradually get closer to it. This gradual process reduces their fear. How does exposure therapy work? The answer lies in your brain's fear response. When you face something repeatedly, your brain starts seeing it as less threatening. This proven concept is called habituation. A study by Dr. Edna Foa, a renowned psychologist, proves that 70 to 90% of people successfully overcome their fears and anxiety disorders through exposure therapy. How can you apply this technique in your life? Here is a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify your fear first. Recognize what you're afraid of. Is it speaking in front of people? Heights? Rejection? Step 2. Break it down. Divide your fear into small, manageable steps. For example, if you fear public speaking, start by speaking in front of a small group, then gradually increase the audience size. Step 3. Gradual exposure. Step out of your comfort zone. Slowly and consistently face your fear. Step 4. Reward yourself after each step. Reflect on your progress and reward yourself. This will boost your confidence. There are many successful people who have overcome their fears. Let's talk about Usain Bolt, a world-famous name. Usain Bolt used to experience anxiety while racing in front of crowds. However, he faced his fear, controlled his nerves through practice, and today, he is known as the fastest man in the world. If you feel like there's a fear in your life holding you back, consider this video as your first step. Comment below and share your fears, and don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can also bring confidence and freedom into their lives. Subscribe to the channel for life-changing videos. Remember, fear stays with you only as long as you keep running from it. Face it and make your life fearless and successful.